Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to add your new tab in Excel. These are the different tabs available in Excel: Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review, View. You can add your own tab as per your requirement. Okay, just click on File, More Options. Okay, then click on Customize Ribbon. You can see here already see those tabs which are already in your Excel sheet: Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review. You can add one more tab as your requirement. Okay, just click on New tab. Then you can rename your new tab. I just want to write My Tech. Okay, OK button. You can see here. You can add a new group. You can add anything those you want. I just want to add format cell. You can click here add button. Click on that, then you can click add. You can see here all add in my new group. I can remain also my group name. I want to rename this font. Sorry, font. Okay, I can. Then OK button. You can see here my tick font, format cell, format printer is an insert cell. That's it. Thank you.